hesitant. I think this is her first trip to the salon.
You want a makeover?
She definitely wants a makeover look. First of all, we're gonna do a little bit of primer. We're gonna skip foundation today just because you want a light, soft look. So we're just gonna go straight in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Bit under the eyes, on the snoot, and a little bit on your forehead to hide those wrinkles. Let's see what we have here. A little beauty blender, and we're going to use this to blend out what we've just done. Don't bite it. Let's bring you in a bit. Hey! You can't lie down in the salon. Sit up. Oh, thank you. Right, now we need to blend this concealer before it sets, because it's going to set and then it's not going to look right. Ma'am, you can't lie down in the salon. Excuse me. We need to blend. We need to... Look at this lady. Next, would you like some blush? Because the blush, I think, will really bring out your eyes. No. You don't want blush. Okay. I don't think she wants blush, guys. Shall we just skip the blush then, and shall we go in with the contour stick? Now this smells of chocolate, bad for you, okay? Thank you. I'm gonna do a bit there. Excuse me, ma'am. Oh my goodness, what is going on? And now we're gonna set it with the Too Faced powder. Now this one smells of chocolate too. You can have a smell, but you can't eat it. Okay. Excuse me! You're gonna get banned from the salon if you carry on with this behaviour. What kind of eyes would you like today? Would you like lashes? You want lashes? I think she wants some eyelashes. We're going with some black fluttery lashes. Keep still, please. Excuse me. You're gonna get banned. I'm sorry, but you've had 3 strikes now. You've had 3 strikes. Ma'am, I'm not messing about. I think it's a good idea to skip the lashes because it's not gonna work. We're gonna go straight in with some eyeshadow. I've had this for quite a few years, so we might be a bit out of date. Perfect. And here we've got the NYX matte finish. We're gonna go in with this and finish the look. And now we're just gonna let that dry. Beautiful. You're looking gorgeous.